My name is Rebecca Crane and I'm the Executive Director at Dial Health. In 2008, I started as a volunteer in our crisis line because there were no job openings, and then I moved into our sexual assault awareness, sexual assault services coordinator, and then a year later in 2009 I became director, and I've been director ever since. So when we started in 1971, we started as a crisis line just for Houghton County, and by 1974 we expanded to all the counties in the area. And then we also started doing prevention, substance abuse prevention in schools. So from that very small beginning, we've blossomed. We've actually grown. Since the time I've been here, starting in 2008, we've expanded 4 times. I think mental health has always been an issue, and unfortunately in this area and other small communities like ours, it's not as well addressed as it could be. Certainly CMH does an amazing job with people that they serve, but I think there's like kind of a group of people in between, the people who are uninsured, that are falling through the cracks, and a lot of times we talk to them on the crisis line, but we want to expand our services so we can give them the direct, effective help that they need. We have a prevention department, which is, we do prevention work in schools, and to that we've added a Communities That Care program, which is again working with the youth, but with the contributions from a number of people from the community. We also have a victim service department, which is, we are advocates and counselors for victims of any type of crime. And the big thing there is that we added a year and a half ago a child advocacy center, and that's working with young children who've been potentially sexually or physically abused. And we're heading into an accreditation period now. And so this has been a dream of ours for many years, and it's taken shape, but now it's going to be fully up and running in probably another 6 months. What we're working into now is we're going to try to be expanding our mental behavioral health. So we want to add a number of counselors to help meet the needs of people who don't have the ability to pay. Last year we were kind of lower in our numbers, but we still served 4,000 people. And so sometimes we serve anywhere between 4,000 to 6,000 people in all those different departments that I talked about. That's been growing and growing, and we're going to imagine that as we continue to expand, that we're going to serve more and more people. It's always a surprise, and it's always nice to be recognized. I think that the thing is that all of us here, we just keep going and going, and we don't really think about that. So I guess it just feels like an honor to be recognized for the work that I've done and we've all done together.